Hello, in today's video, I'll teach you how you can change your region on your iPhone without any problem. To do so is very simple. So first of all, you have to go to your settings. Once you are here on your settings, you have to click on your profile picture. You click on your profile, where you have to scroll right down where you see media and purchases. You click on media and purchases. You see view account, you click on view account. Right here, when you see country and region, you click on country and region. Here, you have to choose the region in which you want to place your iPhone into. So here, I'll put my region in France. Here, I'll click on continue. I'll take agree. Here, I will take none. A payment method, I will take none. Then street, I will put Paris. The second street is optional. Postcode, you can put any 5 digit of your choice, 0509 980. City, I'll put Lyon. Then the phone number, I'll enter 32 33 96 32 21 41. Then my first name and the last name will remain the same. Okay, on OK. Now, as you can see, country and region has been changed from Colombia to France. As simple as that.